Hi, in this video I will show you how to add text to different clips on the TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your TikTok mobile application and click on this plus icon. And once you will click on it, now go to the upload and click on the different clips you want to add in your video. Simply I select these two clips and click on the next. Now again click on the next on the right top, and now click on the A text and write text hi, and click on the done, and now tap on this text and click on the set duration, and here you will see on the bottom a text duration. Now simply select the duration and click on the tick button, and now again go to the text second. Now click on the done and you will see second option is here. Now again tap on it and click on the set duration and select its duration from here, at which point this text will pop up, and click on the tick, and you will see first its high is here, and once it will remove, and on the other time a new text will appear here second. So in this way you can use text on different clip. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.